Hey guys, welcome to Flirn. My name is Aaron Nace. Find me on Twitter at AKNacer. Today we are in the Botanical Gardens. It's about to thunderstorm, so I'm going to try to do this on the quick. We're with our beautiful model Lauren today, and what we're doing is kind of like battling what what God is giving us right now. It's about to thunderstorm. We've got a lot of cloud. You can see we're in open shade. So what we're doing is using an extra light and kind of balancing that with the ambient light to make things a little bit more interesting. So what we've done is basically we've got a light right back up over here, and this is Amelia. Say hi. Amelia is holding our light stand, and she's got a light that's about 8 feet in the air right now, and that's in a 7-inch reflector. What we're doing with that is basically imitating sunlight, and it's going to come through this light. It's going to use this tree as like a little bit of a gobo, and basically the idea is instead of just being a completely open shade light, which we'll show you right now just what it looks like in complete open shade, it's not really that interesting. We've got light that's going to kind of come through, and it's going to hit the side of Lauren's face. This is going to block some of this light, and it's just going to kind of carve out some of these areas, making this a lot more interesting of a portrait. The other thing we did is we made sure to choose like somewhat complementary colors. So we've got the orange on the green. It's like a nice smooth background. If we need to change any colors, we can always change this in Photoshop, change it back to red. We're getting a little bit of rain coming over us right now, so that's basically it. If you guys want to make things a little bit more interesting on a nice cloudy day, pop a light in from the side and you're going to get a portrait that's much more dynamic. Thanks so much for watching Flirn. I'll Flirn you later. Bye everyone.
There's a layer right here at the water, and then there's another layer in the background.
Probably that's a justice.
I feel like we're stuck in the rain.